Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I have a special guest with me. I have Auntie Nandi in the kitchen, and what are we going to be making today?
Mauby.
So Auntie Nandi knows how to make this Mauby really well. We're going to show you guys all of the little tips and tricks how to put it together, and we hope you guys give it a try. So you ready to put this together?
Yes. Okay, so we have here the clove, we have cinnamon stick, star spice, the allspice which you call pimento, and the Mauby bark.
Okay. And as you guys can see, we're not making a huge pot because it takes a lot of sugar, you said.
Yes. Yeah. And so we're just making like, what is it, about 3 to 4 pints of water here.
Yeah.
So we combine all the spices when the water is hot, and we allow it to boil for like maybe 30 minutes. And then after it's boiled, we just add the sugar to taste, if you like this. And then you cool it and add ice and serve.
Okay. So this, we gotta wait for this water to heat up first.
Yeah, lay hot.
So once the water comes to the boil, Auntie Nandi was saying that you're gonna go ahead and drop in all of the ingredients.
Yes, we're gonna add all the spices. Oops, I dropped one.
So the Mauby, the star anise, the pimento, cinnamon, and all the cloves.
Cloves, right.
So you want to cover it back now?
Yes, we're going to cover that and allow it to boil for maybe 30 minutes.
Okay.
It's changed its color already.
Okay. So just so this way everything can steep. And basically by the end of it, it should be brown.
Right. It's going to start. You see how it gets a nice golden color already?
Yeah.
See that?
So we'll let this boil and then we'll come back and show you guys what it looks like.
Now that it is complete this boiling process, we're going to add sugar for sweetness.
Okay. So it's been boiling for about 30 minutes to get everything to steep properly?
Yes. So we're going to just add sugar for sweetness. We're going to make it, and then allow it to sit, to cool, and then you can serve with ice.
Okay. So the best thing to do, you let this cool all the way, you taste it for the sugar, and then you let it sit overnight. Or let it ferment a couple days if you want. On your counter?
Yeah.
Yeah. And once you let it ferment, it'll get a little frothy when you pour it out into the cup. So just for video purposes, we'll let it sit for about a day or two and then we'll pour it. But if you wanted to, you can leave it, up to a week?
Yes, it stays really long.
So you just go cover it and leave it?
Yeah, we just cover it and leave it. If when you taste it, it doesn't taste sweet enough, you can always add more sugar.
Okay. Right? So it's really up to your taste. So in the description box, I'll leave all of the ingredients and measurements. But again, if you guys want to do this to taste, you're going to have to keep tasting and adding more or less, just depending on your liking.
Yes.